Don't provoke me. Don't get me started. I heard you bought a house for your father. And you came empty-handed to invite me for his coronation. Nena Anyika. For Anyika's coronation. As Anyika will one. And whatever was off on our way house. He connived with you to ask your husband to buy a house. What of how many million? Almost 80 million naira to 100 million. But I bet for 5 million naira to start going to Dubai to get original woman hair. You could not do it. And you want me to attend the coronation. For what?
Mommy, you said that you want to be traveling from one country to another. Me and my husband, we are on it. We are working on your visa. Your visa will soon be out. If you need money, just forward your account details to me. My husband is more than capable. He will give you any amount that you want.
Really? Do I look like Abakaleke people without sense? I told you I need the cash. I need it in cash. I don't need transfer. Give me 20 million naira in cash.
Mommy, you need to be in that coronation. You need to be there.
It is not important. Amanda, if it is important that I should be there, you ought to know that I suffered for you. After all the sufferings to raise you up, you faced your father. Is it because I'm not living with him? Because I'm not living in the same house with Anyika? Is Anyika a normal human being to live with by the way, by the bush? Get out.
Mom, is not like that.
Amanda, get out! Go and enjoy it with your father.
But mommy...
Go and enjoy your husband's money with your father. Enjoy your money with your father.
Okay, why not give me your account details so my husband can make some transfer to you? Mommy, listen, you really need to be present in this coronation.
I don't need to. If you want me to be present in that coronation, give me 20 million naira.
That is not a problem. Just give me your account details. My
husband
is more than that.
I need it cash. Give me 20 million naira. Postpone the coronation. Let me go to London first. If I come back, you do the coronation.
We are in the process.
Is Anyika greater than I am? Also on our way house. That is what I want to know. Why would you face your father after all the sufferings I suffered to raise you people? Because I'm not living with him. He connived you into buying a house. Then now coronation. As what?
You need to be in that coronation. No? This is why Papa always complain about you. Oh, just come on coronation for you to just come there. And you are going to partake in the coronation. You are demanding for 20 million, demanding for this one. You are just too stubborn for my liking. I don't like this at all. You need to be in that coronation. No?
Do I blame you? Look at you. Because you met a Abakaleke man, Money Miss Road, yesterday, and you think you have arrived. You want me to attend coronation. Don't worry. You come running back to me. You come running to me. I got clear bet. You must come and look me. Okwalama, you sucked my breath for 9 months. You can never forget me. If you want me to attend that coronation, give me 20 million naira and you will see me there. Nonsense. Gina Anyika, your father. Man. Think you can deceive me. It will not go in there. I know.
Oh,
You're welcome.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. Just like baby, you'll be kicking me in every angle.
Hey, yeah. It is do me, I do you. God, know the best.
Meaning?
Come on, smile for me. Okay, let's just forget about that. Let's forget about that. This is a musical. Listen.
And what is the meaning of that?
Oh, she's greeting you in her language.
Does it mean that she cannot speak common English?
I'm sorry, madam. I thought you were from our state, that's why I greeted you with our language.
You can see this now. and she can speak good English. This is the girl that you requested. Umoke came with her to my office this afternoon. And then I came home with her. She's a good girl. She's good. Ikenna! Ikenna! Brother? Ikenna, please come. She's your sister. Her name is Ngozika. Take her to the boys' quarters.
Okay, bye.
Hey! What is the meaning of that one? Oh yeah, I can't get yellow no now.
Sweetie, don't misunderstand this. They don't mean any evil. This is the way we welcome our person when we see ourselves. You know, we love ourselves so much. Yes. Oh, come on. Very soon you'll understand. You will even behave more.
As if that would be possible.
Very possible. Very possible. Ikenna, please, you can take her to the hospitals. As I was saying, you know how much we love ourselves. Very soon you will blend to this. Even you. Soon you will begin to behave like us.
Leave that very soon. Because they will never be very soon.
My dear.
Not possible.
My dear, hear me out. You are married to a quality Abakaliki man. Not just an ordinary Abakaliki man. And very soon, if you see an Abakaliki young man, that man is your husband. If you meet any Abakaliki woman, the woman is your sister-in-law. In short.
Go. Let me go and prepare your food there. Thank you. I've read you.
Well, however, you are the wife of an Abakaliki medical doctor.
In this house.
No, madam.
No. Madam, what? It's time for you to pack all your luggage in this house. You go need you move to the Getman house. And from henceforth, you'll be the Getman. Did you hear me? I said, did you hear me? Yeah, take this way. Out. Fast! As for you, Ngozika, even Polo can not okay, Gabwa. So what's your putting on? You're now wearing mini skirts in my own house. Even Polo can not okay, Gabwa. If we get, even Polo can okay, Gabwa.
Thank God you acted very fast. If not, if you allow this children one day, if you see this one, he's not sweeting you, you are shaking your way, they will give you the you carry the leg. Your madam will carry. House get you carry. Onyetebanege, ndabakalike. If record.
Ne, I am moved. My eyes are open. No. I am in for them. Oh yeah. Out. You know.
Record. Mwaba. Umwaba. Ndiaba. Even in Aba. Egu Faba. Free for Kadita. Look at them. Sister. Don't allow this man to give you a headache. Don't allow this one to leave.
I don't understand.
Hey, but you really get it. Of course, the one they will just give you how you feel. Nothing no one at all. You go for
Oh, honey, you're back.
I'm back, my dear.
Welcome.
Thank you. I met Ikenna at the gate. So what is he doing there?
Oh, Ikenna. You know, I just asked him to stay there. You know, there are lots of girls here, grown-up girls for that matter. And as a wise man will say, that prevention is better than cure.
Yes, it is, but you would have consulted with me. Make me know.
Sweetheart.
We have time to rub minds and agree on what to do.
Are you trying to say that I cannot make a decision on your behalf?
I don't mean that. I mean, you would have told me. You would have told me.
Honey, I did not ask Ikenna to pack and leave the house. I only asked him to stay at the security man's post.
I understand what you mean. But is it not?
You don't need to. No but. You know what you need now. You just came back from work. I'm not so tired. You need to just remove your clothes, go inside, take your bed, and come to the dining table. I have something special for you there.
Well, the house is yours.
Chichi.
Sir? Oh, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine. Welcome.
Thank you. Mama is not in the shop.
Oh, she went to see her friend. What of my sister, Amanda?
Monday is alright. We are alright. We are good. Okay, I just came to check on her. Hey, that reminds me. Please come to my house during the weekend so that I'll give you the money you requested for your handbag.
Wow, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you. Alright,
If Mama comes, tell her.
I will. Alright, bye.
Have a nice day.
And you too. Take care.
Oh,
Yes.
welcome.
How are you today?
Very, very, very good.
You too. You're not looking bad.
Nice in your chest. Oga, close that gate.
Yes, ma'am.
Ngozi, this way. Fast, fast, fast. This way. Where are you coming from?
I went out to buy something, ma.
You went out to buy something. From where?
From the market, ma.
And when did you leave this house?
It had not been long I went out.
What happened to that meat in the kitchen?
Ma, sorry, I forgot to tell you. It's finished.
It's finished. And you told me.
Sorry, it escaped my...
Why won't you escape your mind? Everything about you is forget. Empty brain. There's nothing there. Why won't you forget? Since you came to my house, have you for once, as in, say that you forgot to eat, Or you forgot to gossip? Or you forgot to dance? Eh? But now you forgot to tell me that the meat has finished. Oh, yeah, call for yourself.
Sorry, ma. I'm so sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Will you go inside the kitchen and grab that and come up upstairs? Also, so fast!
Thank you, ma. I called me.
Go inside. Change those things you're wearing. I'll come back here fast.
Okay, ma.
Ngozika.
Yes, ma.
Get this morning. Go to a coca market. Buy those sachet water. Sell them. Make sure that you make at least 2,000 naira again before coming back to this house. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma. Sorry, ma. But that was not what I was told to be doing here.
Olubolo. Listen to me. Let no other person, no other person, hear of this.
Me, my man, am I going out? I will not talk. Oh. Starting from now, I'm deaf, I'm dumb. Not going to tell anybody. Not even my left hand will hear or my right hand will hear what you just discussed.
It's only to talk. Hold your ear. Don't tell anybody where you're going to.
Okay, ma.
You know if you do, I will hear it. And when I hear it, I will skin you alive.
No, madam, me, I won't even talk. Talk, Holy Ghost fire. I will not tell anybody. Even Oga, my mouth is starting from now.
You know something?
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Hey! Come back here. I make sure that you come back before 6 p.m.
Okay, ma.
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma. Thank you.
This one, you are in a hurry. Where are you rushing to?
It's not madam. It's not madam. She asked me to go cook and start hawking. I started selling sachet water. Me. This is not what they asked me to be doing here.
No. Stop this joke, please. What do you mean by that?
You're not deaf. You're not claiming that you can't hear clearly again. As you don't hear me now, what I just said, you don't hear me. I said that my aunt asked me to go to a cook and start selling sachet water. And you have fixed amount. She said I should be making 2,000 naira daily for her. And if I fail to do, and besides, she asked me not to tell anybody. Please, I beg you, don't tell anybody. Because excuse me, I don't have that.
What kind of woman is this? Wicked witch. What will this woman be gaining from this 10 naira pure water? To compare with what she already has. This woman is a devil. No, wait. Did this woman think that this heavenly get man that I'm campaigning for, that if God should happen to give it to me, that I will allow her to enter inside heaven? No, I will never try that. In fact, you deserve to enter hellfire. Nonsense. God, please save me and Ngozi from this stupid and what will I call it? This nonsense woman's hand. Though it's not her fault. It's my brother's fault who brought her as wife into his house. No problem. He has seen it now. And he must be the one that will face the repercussion at last. No problem. No problem. I'm here with them. Whatsoever we see, we'll take it that way.